Hey there, beautiful people. It's Shower here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Welcome to day one, the first day of this challenge. I'm so proud of you for starting this and committing to making 2025 your best year yet. So, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a brain dump, okay? Because we're going to be doing a lot of planning, we're going to be doing a lot of strategizing, and we want to make sure that our mind is clear, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to write down every single thing that comes to mind so that you always have this list to refer to. Okay, so for this brain dump, we're going to be going based on categories, which is just better for you so that everything would be, arranged easy for you. So if we got our PDF template, the free PDF template, then you're going to just print it out. And as you can see here, we have all of, the prompts. You can just put this like, while you're writing, and then just like a plain sheet of paper and just write it down. Or if you want to use our Notion template, then let us head on to how you can actually use that. Once you go to today, it's going to show you the one that you have for today. So because today is day one, we have the brain dump to do. So you just want to click on it and it's going to take you there. And then you can now see, okay, just get everything out of your head. This exercise helps clear your mind and bring clarity by categorizing all your thoughts, tasks, and ideas. As you go through each category, write down every single thought or task, big or small. Don't worry about order or prioritization, just get it out. This will set you up for success as you move through the 21-day challenge. Okay, so as you can see, personal life, we have the questions for it, and then you can just write them here. Relationships, we have the questions for them, career and work, financial, and future plans. Okay, so yeah, that's just basically that for that. So that is basically that for today. You just want to write down this brain dump. Just make sure that your mind is clear for all of the planning, all of the prioritization, all of the goal setting, future self planning that we're going to be doing. So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for that, and I'll see you in day two. Bye.